haven't yet passed. I started recording.
You're waiting for me to get pulled over? They came last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I don't remember when was the last time I came to cruise night.
Instead here vamos al cagalero cruise night.
Which one?
Lo que tú quieres content.
Ah, I just got here. We just got here. We just got here. No way. Oh no. All right, guys, this video is gonna be 40 seconds long. Yeah, they're 2 inches.
2 inches.
Oh man.
That's a whole different color, nigga.
Okay, never mind.
I know, it's been a while.
Forgot what she was looking like, dude.
No, I didn't see. I don't keep up with the racing scene. Bet? For money or whether we're racing? That hurt my freaking ear. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That wasn't interesting at all. Nah, low key, that hurt my ear.
But I had to push through.
With the wheels. I like this generation. A lot of people don't like them.
I used to not like it.
I always like this. What? Yeah. The V6s are pretty fast. Dang. Yeah. Hey, they don't care, bro. Yeah. They just don't care. That's it. They stole the show. Yeah, better paint job than my car, bro. I can't lie about that. Hey, we should do the
Dude, I like we were talking about it. I was like,
Looks like I left just in time, guys. Left just in time before the cops were pulling in to kick everyone out. The first time they pulled up, they just turned on the lights, I guess, just showing their dominance around the area, telling us not to mess around. Nothing crazy happened. Usually during these cruise nights here, if you guys have been following the channel for quite some time, know that cruise nights in South Texas are Thursdays. That's just a thing. All the car crews hang out, they find different locations, just chill out. Occasionally you'll have someone burn out, maybe some races, some drama, something exciting. I wasn't able to bring that to you guys tonight. I mean, if you guys want me to go to cruise night more often, I'll definitely do that for you guys. It's been a fat minute since I actually went out to one of these. It's been maybe well over a year, close to 2. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I was able to see some cool cars, try to record as much as possible. Most of the cars that were there. But yeah, man, there were some pretty cool things. Saw a lot of cars that were turbo. It looks like turbo's a new thing now. Everybody's turbocharged, supercharged, all that good stuff. We're staying behind here. That's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to drop a comment, guys. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.